me see your hand, please. I'm gonna work on your thumb first. Is it easier to go like that? No, it's not easier for me. Okay. There. All right. Okay. All right, let's do, so I wanna do a little background first. And I kinda like the swirly background that we saw. So I had seen this background in one of the photos that Jandy sent me for her inspo photo, and I really, really liked it. So I decided that on the thumb, we would just add a little bit more of a background. So I've mentioned before, I am brand new to the whole art thing. So I just try my best, but I don't worry, stress, or really fret about it. I just do the best job I can. And then, you know, the rest is you just enjoy your time, both of you. I kind of figure that over time, you're just naturally, the more that you do it, the more you're gonna like learn things and learn how to do it better. So you're gonna get better over time, whether you really sit down and get books and study and learn about doing art, or you just kind of learn as you go. Either way. And not that I'm opposed to buying some books and practicing and learning just through books or watching art tutorials. I certainly do. And I would love to get better at it faster, but right now, I just kind of enjoy it. That's where I am in life. Just enjoy the process. So even though I know this is not the perfect spiral, I like whimsical, I like fun, I like in the moment. Although I have put some art books in my Amazon wish list. So yeah, whenever I get the extra money to afford those and can invest in that kind of stuff, I will. But until then, just have fun with it. This into place and then do our little possum. I really like this purple on you, it's pretty. Okay, we're doing this possum on here, roundish shape. While I'm doing the nail art stuff, I'm not always great about checking to make sure that the camera isn't going foggy on me. So bear with me if there's a couple times that it's a little foggy, but I tried to cut most of that out. It's got some hair, so it's a little textured. Let's make it a little more textured. Let's see. So when you do animal art or any kind of art and you're not a professional or you don't have a lot of experience, you just try your best, right? And you love the way it comes out, period. Well, not yet. They can see kind of what we've got going on. So it's all animals, of course. We love the animals. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over here. Our thumb has a little kitty. These are on, I've got a video on these that we did last night. And then, of course, today we finished up the other hand, which we wanted to be dedicated towards possums. We may do something different with this little froggy. We're not sure. He doesn't show up as well as what we wanted him to. Then we've got an elephant and a whale. I love the whale's teeth. We've got a little lucky red bird. We should do like a lucky set of nails, you know, with dice and cards and stuff. That would be fun. Okay, let me see your other hand. All right, let's put on one last final top coat. And over here we've got, let me show them real good. So we've got Mama Possum. She's very protective over her babies. Let's get a good top coat on here, final top coat. Make sure it's smooth. I should have cleaned up the background on this one just a little bit better. I thought it was gonna be a little brighter when we, let's see if you can see. So this one, he's got his mouth open. And then this one, he's kind of like playing possum. Yeah, that purple looks so good on you, I can't believe it. Looks like much better on you than it even did on my skin. And I love this purple. Oh, and if you guys want to know what purple it is, I know I mentioned it yesterday in my video, but in case you didn't catch that one, I'll tell you here in a second. Because it is a gorgeous purple. Actually, this whole collection is really incredible. Oh, I didn't have any here. Oh, I'll add it to my notes. Huh? No, this is another one. Yeah. Shoot. It was the most recent collection. We're about to come out with our July collection, though. Oh, those are cute. So baby possums and mama possum. Okay, Jen, you want to take a look? What do you think? You like it? Which one do you like best?